because of his great concern about the West Bengal, the recent storm and devastation. And he was really very sorry for this devastation. He said, yes, you people are fighting COVID and the devastation, this storm also. So he has given all his support for the West Bengal people and the government. Odisha Chief Minister also talked to me today morning, and Bangladesh Prime Minister is also trying to talk to me because 48 hours the phone is not working. Even net is also not working. Even Bhutan also sent a message and the communication is not there. Even television channel is also so many areas. The cable is not working. So phone is also not working. WhatsApp is not working. FaceTime is also not working. Even we are not getting message in a proper time. The communication, telecommunication is very, very weak. And the other connection, automatically it will be disconnected, but they are trying, they have already started the rescue and relief operation. And today also we'll give a brief note to Prime Minister, also will hand over. I think his flight will be coming at 11:06. Then we will visit some south and north 24 Parganas, some devastating areas. And then Bashirat will sit, few people will give a briefing, and after that we will come back. Till now we have got the information 80 people died, and God saved us because we rescued, we evacuated at least more than 6 lakhs people, not 5 lakhs even. Even the weather forecast was also, sometimes it cost the area. The size, the density of the storm was so lengthy. 450 kilometers the range together when it came. Full sky, full area. When we have seen the eye is Kolkata and tail is Nadia. Or eye is Kolkata, the tail is Bonga. There it is coming. So it is moving, and 60% people are being affected in state. More than 6 crore people are directly affected. It is more than a national disaster. And the property loss, everything lost, life lost, everything is lost. But let us hope that at least we have saved lakhs of people because of this situation. Our people have already started working. They are in the field. It will take some time to clean all the areas, because Kolkata also I have seen so many areas, the big trees fallen, and road is also closed for this. Yesterday after Navanno, I visited some local areas also, and I have seen even Kolkata also there are so many pakka baris also. Pakka houses are also totally fallen, tree, shops and all. Now one side the lockdown is going on, other side the disaster is going on, the other side COVID is going on. So we are fighting 3 challenges. But let us hope that with the blessings of all the people, and Bengal people are always dedicated and devoted, with our dedication, determination and work-like situation, all the officials, the field staffs, the police, the administrations, all the district magistrate and their full team, all people will work together. And thank you so much, the media also, for your full cooperation.